Hi Mandalorian fans, this is for you. If you ever wondered how a flat piece of leather becomes a 3D helmet, I'm going to unleash the secret of leather forging. Buckle up, get your popcorn, we are starting now. When I seek inspiration, the process of forging the helmet always comes to my mind. It's never been about the battles. It's about the hammering, the fire, the focus. This reminds me so much of how water wakes up the leather, transforming it from hard hide to a soft canvas. My job is to transfer every sharp line onto it. As the water evaporates, the lines lighten. Too much water, the tool cuts too deep. Too little, it's impossible to mark. Pushing up the back allows the leather to take its form. If I push too hard, the top lines fade away. If I recarve them, I risk destroying the depths I just created. After hundreds of attempts, I'm finally happy with this shape. Let's take a breath. We've still got more hot rounds ahead. My semi-finished helmet needs a core fitting for internal support. Everything up to now was about balancing depth and the lines. To make the helmet truly stand out, I have to reset the eye area. I once assumed straight lines would be easy. With such a small tool, tackling these long lines is a nightmare. I'm still completely at the mercy of the water, pressing and refining the whole area. Finally, I've done it. What a challenge! Now, we bring it to life with color. I start with the lightest shade and build up a solid base coat. What takes 2 coats on paper might take 5 or 6 here to look solid. Next, we define the shadows. Once the lightest and darkest points are locked in, everything else just seems to fall into place. Much more balanced now, right? Since the roadmap is clear, sharpening the detail is the next step. To match his legacy, I'm brushing on the vintage worn-in look. Yes, I like that. Last thing, the eyes. So guys, how about making this a back charm? Okay, give me a second. Their armor was tempered in fire, that's their way. Our strength is tempered here, rap by rap. We all walked our own path and faced our own battles. We never stop. Every rap counts. Thank you guys. See you next time.